We are on to our next order of operations problem. We start with grouping symbols. I look at my brackets and I am working on what is inside the brackets. Now inside of the brackets, I have division and subtraction. So think about it, which comes first, division or subtraction? Well, division comes before subtraction. So that means that I need to circle 66 divided by 11 because that's what I need to figure out first. 66 divided by 11 is 6. And I carefully copy the rest of the problem. I'm going to change this to a multiplication sign that looks like that. It's hard for me to write a dot. All right, now I'm still working inside that bracket. I need to change the subtraction to addition. So remember, you keep the 6, don't change that, and you make 2 changes in the middle. So I changed the subtraction to addition, and I changed the positive 7 to a negative 7. So this really reads 6 plus a negative 7 within the brackets. And then I think about my addition rules. Signs are different, you subtract, and I have more positives than negatives. And again, I copy everything else down. That's half of the work, is just carefully copying down the rest of the problem. I know that I'm finished with the grouping symbols because I only have one number inside of those brackets. That's when you know you've finished step 1. Now I move on to exponents, which is step 2. The exponent 3 tells you how many times to record the base, and you actually record the brackets and all. So I just copy whatever the 3 was attached to. The 3 was attached to the brackets, so I'm going to copy the whole brackets 3 times. And you're multiplying these together. So -1 times -1 gives me +1. And then when I multiply +1 times this -1, I end up with a -1. And then I'm still working on multiplication. 6 times -1, unlike signs, give you a negative. Remember, with multiplication and division, it doesn't matter which you have more of. If you have unlike signs, you automatically get a negative when it comes to multiplication and division.